So our topic for today is all about exponential function, equation, and inequalities. So practice task. Which of the following are exponential equation? So A is equal to 49 is equal to 7 raised to the x plus 1, and B is equal to 7 is equal to 2x plus 3. C is equal to 3 raised to x is equal to 3 raised to 2x minus 1, and so on and so far. So, aalamin po natin dito kung sino po dito or alin po ditong equation, yung exponential equation po natin. So, pag sinabi po natin exponential equation, is an expression of the form a multiplied by b raised to x minus c plus d, where b is greater than 0 and b is not equal to 1. So, definition po natin, exponential equation is an equation involving exponential expression. For example, 7 raised to 2x minus x squared is equal to 1 over 3, 4, 3. Exponential inequality naman po, an equality involving exponential expression, 5 raised to 2x minus 5 raised to x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. Then exponential function po natin, function of the form f of x is equal to b raised to x, where b is greater than 0 and b is not equal to 1. So pag exponential equation po, ibig sabihin equation lang po yung given po natin. Pag exponential inequality, gumagamit po tayo dito ng greater than, less than, or equal to. Pag exponential function naman po, gumagamit po tayo dito ng f of x and y. So determine whether the given is exponential function, an exponential equation, an exponential inequality, or none of these. So number 1 po natin, alam na po natin na exponential function siya kasi may f of x po siya. So solving exponential equation, to solve exponential equation, we use the law of exponent. We are also going to use property that x and y are real numbers, and if b raised to x is equal to b raised to y, then we can say that x is equal to y. For example, let us solve the equation. 64 is equal to 8 raised to x minus 2. So dahil po yung base po natin sa first term to second term is magkaiba, kailangan po gagawin po natin magkaparehas. So sa kabila po, second term po natin, yung base po natin which is 8. So dito naman po 64, kailangan yung 64 dito maging base po niya is 8. So magiging 8 raised to 2. Dahil 8 times 8 is equal to 64. So parehas na po sila ng base na 8. Pag parehas na po ng base, pwede na po natin ma-simplify yung exponent po natin, which is 2 and x minus 2. So use the law of exponent. If b raised to x is equal to b raised to y, then we can say that x is equal to y, and b raised to x is equal to b raised to y. B is 8 in this example. To get the equation x is equal to y, just to cover the number 8. The exponent on each side will be the equation x is equal to y. So tulad ng sabi ko kanina, parehas na po yung base po natin. So our equation will be 8 squared is equal to 8 raised to x minus 2. Dahil po parehas na po yung base po natin, tatanggalin na po natin yung base po natin. Matitira na lang po yung exponent po natin. So our exponent will be 2 is equal to x minus 2. Then kailangan po natin makuha yung value ng x po natin. We need to transpose negative 2 to the right side, magiging positive 2. So susulat ko po para makita nyo po. So transpose po natin tong negative 2 sa kabila. Magiging positive 2 po. So 2 plus 2 So, eto po, cancel na po natin siya. Then 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 4. So, for checking, we need to substitute the value of x, which is 4. So, 64 is equal to 8 raised to x minus 2. So, we need to substitute the value of x, which is 4. So, our equation will be 64 is equal to 8 raised to 4 minus 2. So, we need to subtract our exponent. So, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, 64 is equal to 8 raised to 2. Then 8 raised to 2 is equal to 64. Then 64 is equal to 64. Ibig sabihin po, tama po yung value ng expo natin. Pag hindi po sila ng equal, ibig sabihin, mali po yung value ng expo natin. So another example, let us determine the value of x in the equation 25 raised to 2x is equal to 125. So, kailangan po gawin po natin sa base po natin maging 25 po itong 125. So, 125 is equal to, sulat ko po ulit para makita nyo. Wait lang, tagal lumabas ng ano. So, 125 is equal to 5 raised to 3. Dahil 5 times 5 times 5 is equal to 125. Okay po? Then, parehas na po yung base po natin. Then, sa kabila din po, kailangan po yung base po natin is equal to 5. Then, 25 po, gagawin po natin para makuha po natin base po natin ng 5, 5 raised to 2. Then, we need to multiply our exponent. We need to multiply our exponent. Two x multiplied by 2. So, 2x times 2 is equal to 4x. Then dahil parehas na po yung base po natin, pwede na po natin i-simplify yung exponent po natin, which is 4x and 3. So, clear ko po muna to. So, magiging 4x is equal to 3. Then, find the value of x by simply divide it both side by 4 po. So, divide both side by 4. Cancel po natin yung, pakita ko po ulit. Cancel po yung 4 po natin. X is equal to 3 over 4. Then in checking po, we need to substitute the value of x, which is 3 over 4. So 25 raised to 2, x is equal to 125. Then substitute the value of x, which is 3 over 4. So 25 raised to 2 times the quantity of 3 over 4 is equal to 125. So unahin po muna natin exponent po natin. So our exponent 2 times 3 over 4 is equal to 3 over 2. Then 25 raised to 3 over 2 is equal to 125. Then 125 is equal to 125. So another example, let us answer the equation. The quantity of 1 half raised to x plus 2 is equal to 16 raised to x. Ibig sabihin, dalawa na po yung variable po natin na exponent. So, kailangan po maging equal po yung base po muna natin parehas, tsaka po natin kukunin yung value ng x po natin. So, magiging 1/2 raised to x plus 2 is equal to 16x. So, gawin po natin, yung base po natin is 2. So, 1/2 raised to x plus 2. Reciprocal po natin para umangat po itong 2 po natin. Magiging negative na po yung exponent po natin. Okay po. So, our answer will be 2 raised to negative 1 multiplied by x plus 2 is equal to 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 4x. Himay-himayin po muna natin. Unahin po muna natin 16 raised to x. So, 16 raised to x. Sabi ko po kanina, kailangan po yung base po natin is 2. So, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 16. Okay po? So, 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 16. Then 16 is equal to 2 raised to 4. Then isasama po natin yung variable po natin x. So 4x. So ito na po yung sagot po natin. 2 raised to 4x. Then sa kabila naman po tayo, one half reciprocal po natin. Ibig sabihin, pag sinabi po natin reciprocal, babaliktarin lang po natin. Pag binaliktarin po natin tong 1/2 po natin, automatic mara siya exponent na 1. Divisible by 1. Pag binaliktad po natin siya, magiging negative yung exponent na 1 po natin. So, magiging 2 raised to negative 1. Then, dalawa na po exponent po natin, negative 1 tapos x plus 2. Then, we need to multiply negative 1 to x plus 2. Ibig sabihin, lahat po ng exponent dito is magiging negative. Dahil, di ba, sabi po natin, any number multiplied by 1 is equal to the number itself. Pero po to, ito pang exponent po natin sa una is negative. Ibig sabihin, lahat po ng positive magiging negative. Pag negative po, automatic magiging positive. So, our answer will be 2 raised to 2 raised to negative x minus 2 is equal to 2 raised to 4x. Dahil parehas na po yung base po natin na 2, pwede na po natin kunin yung value ng x po natin. So, x minus 2, ito po yung exponent po natin na huwag mali dito. So, x minus 2, our negative x minus 2 is equal to 4x. Then, transpose po natin tong negative sa kabila. Magiging positive. So, plus 2. Transpose po natin siya dito sa kabila. Ay, gagawin po wala natin is combine like terms. So, So, ito pong negative x po yung lilipat po natin sa kabila. Dahil sa kabila po, may kasama pong x. So, negative x plus x lagay natin dito. Then, plus x po dito sa kabila. Then, cancel po. Then, negative 2 is equal to 4x plus x. Then, we need to find the value of x po. So, 4x plus x is equal to 5x. Then, para makuha po natin yung value ng x po natin, by divided both side by 5 po. So, divide both side by 5. X is equal to, so cancel po natin to. X is equal to negative 2 over 5 or, lagay tayo ng text. Or x is equal to negative 2 over 5. Pag negative po, pwede pong yung negative sign po natin nasa gitna po. Pwede din pong negative sign po natin nasa taas. So in checking po, we need to substitute the value of x, which is negative 2 over 5. So our general equation, 1 half raised to x plus 2 is equal to 16 raised to x. We need to substitute the value of x, which is negative 2 over 5. So 1 half raised to negative 2 over 5 plus 2 is equal to 8, 5. Then sa kabila din po, ganyan din po yung gagawin po natin. 16 raised to negative 2 over 5. Para hindi po tayo mahirapan, yung 16 po natin, gawin po natin siyang 2 raised to 4. Ito po. Then we need to multiply our exponent 4 and negative 2 over 5. So 4 multiplied by negative 2 over 5 is equal to negative 8 over 5. Tama? Then dahil po fraction po to, pwede po natin to i-reciprocal para maging negative po yung exponent po natin. Pag ni-reciprocal po natin to, magiging two raised to negative 1 raised to 8 over 5. Tama yung exponent po natin. Then sabi po natin, any number multiplied by 1 is equal to the number itself. Pero negative po to, automatic magiging negative din po tong exponent po natin sa kabila. So magiging negative 1 multiplied by 8 over 5 is equal to negative 8 over 5. Therefore, our final answer will be 2 raised to negative 8 over 5 is equal to 2 raised to negative 8 over 5. Ibig sabihin, tama po yung value ng expo natin. Pag hindi po sila nag-equal, ibig sabihin, mali po yung value ng expo natin. So, exponential inequality. is an inequality in which a variable occurs in an exponent. To solve an exponential inequality, we use the following properties. If b is greater than 1 and b raised to x is less than b raised to y, then x is greater than y. If b greater than y and b raised to x is greater than b raised to y, then x is greater than y. Notice that the properties for inequalities also hold when less than is replaced by less than or equal and greater than is replaced by less than or greater than or equal. So, para maintindihan po natin, magbibigay po ako ng example. So, let us determine the value of x in the inequalities. So, our equation will be 3 raised to x greater than 3 raised to 2x minus 3. So, in this example, b is equal to 3, then 3 is greater than 1. So, we use either property A or B. The inequality sign used is greater than, which makes finally apply the second property b. If b is greater than 1 and b raised to x is greater than b raised to y, then x is greater than y. So use the property b where b is equal to or is greater than 1 and b raised to x is greater than b raised to y, then x is greater than y. So our general equation will be 3 raised to x greater than 3 raised to 2x minus 3. So dahil parehas na po yung base po natin which is 3, proceed na po tayo sa pinaka-exponent po natin na x and 2x minus 3. Then, use property B po natin, babalik na rin po natin yung inequality symbol po natin. So, kanina po, nakalagay po dito is greater than pa rin po. Then, proceed po tayo sa our solution. So, x greater than 2x minus 3. Then, we need to transpose 2x sa kabila magiging positive ay magiging negative 2x. Lagay ko po para makita nyo po. So, positive 2x minus 2x. So, dito, minus 2x din po. Then, positive po yung expo natin dito. Then, cancel. Magiging negative 2x. Ito na po yun. Negative 2x plus x greater than negative 3. Then, negative 2x plus x is equal to x. Ito po. Then, yung second term po natin which is negative 3. Then, kailangan ma-eliminate po natin negative symbol. Magiging divide both side by negative 1. So, divide both sides by negative 1. Cancel po yung negative po natin. Then, 3 divide negative 1 is equal to positive 3. So, when you divide the negative number, the sign of the inequality must flip. Okay po? Then our answer will be x is less than 3. Tulad po sa Sa rules po natin. Letter B. Sabi po sa rules po natin, so, divide both side by negative 1, automatic magiging positive po. Then our answer will be x is less than 3. When you divide by a negative numbers, the sign of the inequality must flip. Pag nag-divide ka daw po ng negative numbers, magbabaliktad po yung sign po ng inequality po natin. So, kanina po dito is greater than. So, dahil negative sign po yung dinivide po natin, magiging less than na po siya. So, therefore, the solution for 3 raised to x greater than 3 raised to 2x minus 3 is x less than 3. So, example number 2, let us solve for the value of x in the inequality x raised to 2x minus 1 less than or equal to 16x. In this example, we need to rewrite each side of the equation as an exponential expression having the same base. An exponential form of 8 is 2 raised to 3, while 16 is also the same as 2 raised to 4. That will make 8 raised to 2x minus 4 less than or equal to 16x equal to 2 raised to 3, or the quantity of 2 raised to 3 multiplied by the power of 2x minus 1 less than or equal to the quantity of 2 raised to 4 multiplied by the power of x. We simplify by applying the power of power rule, and we will have 2 raised to 6x minus 3. So, ito po yun. 2x times 3 is equal to 6x. Okay po? Lagyan natin animation. So, 3 times 2x is equal to 6x. Ito na po. Then, negative 1 multiplied by positive 3 is equal to negative 3. Then, sa kabila naman po, 4 times x is equal to 4x. So, ito na po yung pinaka-equation po natin. 2 raised to 6x minus 3 less than or equal to 2 raised to 4x, where b is equal to 2 and 2 is greater than 1. So, we use either property A or B. The inequality sign used is less than or equal, which make finally apply the first property A if b is greater than 1 and b raised to x is greater than or is less than b raised to y, then x is less than y. So our solution, use the property A where b is greater than 1 and b raised to x is less than or equal to b raised to y, then x is less than or equal to y. So, kailangan po yung base po natin is magkaparehas. So, sinabi na po kanina na gagawin po natin yung base po natin is equal to 2. So, our base is equal to 2. So, ito po, nakuha na po natin siya kanina. So, dahil parehas na po yung base po natin, pwede na po tayo mag-proceed sa exponent po natin na 6x minus 3 is less than or equal to 4x. So, ito na po yun. Then, we need to simplify. Combine like terms po, lahat po ng magkaparehas ng variables, pag sasamahin po natin lahat po ng walang kaparehas, ihiwalay po natin. So, 6x, lipat po natin siya sa kabila, positive 6x magiging negative 6x. So, ito, cancel na po. So, 4x minus 6x is equal to 2x. Okay po. So, 2x is less than or equal to 3. Then, we need to divide both sides by 2 to find the value of x. So, cancel po natin to. X is less than or equal to 3 over 2. Okay po. So, add both sides by negative 4x plus 3. So, ibig sabihin po, ito pong negative 3 po natin, nilipat din po natin sa kabila, magiging positive 3. So, ito pong 4x po natin, nilipat din po natin sa kabila, magiging negative 3. Negative 4x rather. So, ganito po ginawa nila. So, 4x, ilipat sa kabila, magiging negative 4x. Tama po ba? Plus, ito po, cancel na po natin siya. So, ito po negative 3, lipat po natin sa kabila, magiging positive 3. So, ito po, cancel na po. Negative 4x plus 6x is equal to 2x. Ito po, is less than or equal to 3 or positive 3. Then, we need to find the value of x by simply divided both sides by 2. So, cancel po natin. So, x is equal to, x is less than or equal to 3 halves. Then, in checking po, we need to substitute the value of x, which is 3 over 2. So therefore, the solution for 8 raised to 2x minus 1 is less than or equal to 16x is x is less than or equal to 3 over 2. So yun lamang po. Maraming salamat. Thank you. God bless and keep safe.